Imagine waking up to find that your bank account has grown overnight without you having to do anything. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's the power of passive income, and it's entirely possible to earn it online. Passive income is income that requires little to no effort to maintain once it's set up, meaning you can earn money while you sleep, travel, or focus on other things. In this video, we're going to dive into some of the best strategies for earning passive income online in 2025. Whether you want to earn a little extra money or create a full-fledged passive income stream, there's something here for everyone. From affiliate marketing to creating digital products, let's explore how you can start earning passive income today. 10. Affiliate marketing. Earning while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular and effective ways to earn passive income online. The premise is simple. You promote products or services offered by others, and when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. What makes affiliate marketing so passive is that once you've created content around the products, whether through blogs, YouTube videos, or social media posts, you can continue to earn commissions as long as the content is live and driving traffic. This is one of the easiest and most scalable ways to earn passive income, especially if you can find high-converting products that your audience loves. In 2025, affiliate marketing continues to thrive, especially with the growing e-commerce industry. By focusing on products that align with your niche and audience, you can earn commissions on a recurring basis, often with little to no ongoing work once the content is set up. 9. Dropshipping, selling without the hassle of inventory. Dropshipping is a form of e-commerce where you sell products through an online store. But instead of holding inventory yourself, the supplier ships products directly to the customer on your behalf. This means you don't have to worry about storing, packing, or shipping anything, making it a great way to create a passive income stream. In 2025, the dropshipping business model continues to be a popular way to earn passive income online. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Oberlo make it easy to set up an online store, find suppliers, and start selling. Although you'll still need to market your store and drive traffic to it, the dropshipping process itself is fairly hands-off once your products are listed. This makes it one of the most accessible ways to start an e-commerce business with little upfront investment. 8. Selling digital products, unlimited earnings with minimal effort. One of the most effective ways to earn passive income online is by creating and selling digital products. Digital products, such as ebooks, courses, printables, and templates, require an initial investment of time and effort to create, but can be sold endlessly with minimal ongoing effort. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it easy to sell your digital products to a global audience. Whether you're a writer, designer, or expert in a particular field, you can create and sell digital products based on your skills and knowledge. Once your product is live, it can continue to generate income for months or even years to come. Selling digital products is an excellent way to leverage your knowledge or creativity while building a passive income stream. Plus, you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or returns. Everything is digital. 7. Investing in dividend stocks, earning regular income. If you're looking for a tried and true method to generate passive income, investing in dividend-paying stocks is a solid strategy. Dividend stocks pay you a portion of their earnings regularly, usually quarterly, and the best part is that you don't have to actively manage your investments on a daily basis. To get started, you can open an account with platforms like Robinhood, eStar Trade, or Fidelity, and invest in stocks that pay consistent dividends. Over time, these dividends can build up, and with the power of compound interest, your earnings can grow significantly. While investing in stocks carries some risk, with the right strategy and a diversified portfolio, dividend income can become a reliable and passive source of earnings. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Earning interest on your loans. Peer-to-peer (P2P) lending is another passive income strategy where you lend money to individuals or businesses through online platforms like Lending Club and Prosper. In return, you earn interest on your loan. Once you've invested in P2P loans, you'll receive regular payments of interest, which can quickly add up. The platforms usually offer a wide range of investment options with varying levels of risk, so you can choose to invest in higher risk loans with higher returns or safer loans with more moderate returns. While there is some risk involved, P2P lending can be a great way to earn passive income online, especially if you have a lump sum of money that you're looking to invest. 5. YouTube channel. Monetizing your content. Creating a YouTube channel is one of the most popular ways to generate passive income online in 2025. Once you've created videos and built a subscriber base, you can monetize your content through YouTube's partner program, which allows you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. The key to making passive income with YouTube is creating evergreen content, videos that remain relevant over time. Tutorials, educational content, and product reviews are excellent examples of videos that continue to drive views and generate revenue even after they've been published. Once your YouTube channel is up and running, you can also supplement your income by working with brands for sponsored content or affiliate marketing. Create an online course. Teach and earn. If you have expertise in a specific area, creating an online course is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Whether you're an expert in photography, marketing, coding, or fitness, you can package your knowledge into an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Once your course is created and published, it can continue to sell with minimal effort on your part. As more people enroll, you'll continue to earn income from your course. Plus, the more courses you create, the more passive income streams you can generate. Creating an online course does require an initial time investment to create high-quality content, but once it's done, the course can keep bringing in money for years to come. 3. Print on demand, custom products without the inventory. Print on demand is a popular e-commerce business model where you create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them online, but the fulfillment is handled by a third-party company. When someone purchases your product, the print-on-demand provider handles the printing, packing, and shipping. With platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring, you can easily create an online store and start selling custom-designed products. The best part is that you don't have to invest in inventory upfront or deal with the logistics of shipping. Once your designs are uploaded, the passive income starts rolling in whenever someone buys a product. Print on demand is a great option for creatives who want to make money online with little to no upfront investment. 2. Real estate investment platforms. Earning from property. Without buying real estate has long been considered a great way to generate passive income, but buying physical property isn't always feasible. Luckily, real estate investment platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate projects without needing to buy property yourself. By pooling funds with other investors, you can invest in real estate projects like apartment complexes, commercial properties, and more. These platforms pay out returns in the form of dividends from rental income or profits from property sales. Real estate investment platforms are a great way to earn passive income online while diversifying your investment portfolio. 1. Creating and selling an app. Build once, profit forever. Creating a mobile app is one of the most profitable ways to earn passive income. While building an app requires an upfront investment of time and money, the potential for long-term income is enormous. Once your app is published on platforms like the App Store or Google Play, you can earn money through ads, in-app purchases, or paid downloads. Apps that solve a common problem, offer entertainment, or provide educational content tend to do well. While developing an app requires coding skills or hiring a developer, the reward can be significant, especially if the app gains popularity and continues to generate revenue for years. There you have it. Earning passive income online is not only possible, but it's easier than ever in 2025. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, drop shipping, creating digital products, or investing in stocks, there are countless ways to build income streams that generate money even when you're not actively working. The key is to start today, be consistent, and diversify your income sources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to earn money online. Let's keep working towards financial freedom, one passive income stream at a time.